When people get pulled over for a traffic infraction, they often wonder whether or not they should hire an attorney. And unfortunately, my answer to that is, it all depends. Why should you hire an attorney for a traffic matter? Well, you don't have a right to an attorney in a traffic matter in the state of New York, which means it's your choice whether you hire an attorney or not. And why would you hire an attorney? When you go to traffic court, most of the people don't have attorneys. In fact, you'll sit in court and the judge will call the cases, and you'll see most people go up to the bench and discuss things with the judge, and they don't have attorneys. What are those advantages to having an attorney? Well, it all depends on your situation, but let me give you an example. I was just in traffic court the other day, and I'm waiting for my turn to be called and to represent my clients, and other people are going up. There was a nice woman who went up. She looked like a middle-aged woman, mother of a family, your typical 40-year-old woman. She went up to the bench. She had a speeding ticket, and she was clearly upset, nervous, frustrated by the process. I think by the time she got called up, we maybe have already been in court for an hour and a half, which is not uncommon in some of the larger jurisdictions. And the judge asked her what she wanted to do. He said, you have time to get an attorney. You can plead guilty to this now. If you plead guilty to this, I'll assess a fine, and it's all through. She said, inevitably most people do say this, I just want to get this over with. Unfortunately, rushing to judgment is not always a good idea. What she didn't realize is that that speeding ticket was going to cost her 6 points on her driver's abstract. 6 points. Now, the judge assessed a fine. The fine could be from $0 to $150 for that speeding ticket. And what was the fine? I'll be honest with you, I don't know. Now, what was the cost? Thousands. For 39 months, she will have 6 points on her driver's abstract. 6 points. A basic traffic infraction is 2 or 3 points. By the time her insurance company checks her driver's abstract and sees she has a major speeding ticket on there, moving violation, she's likely to see significant increases in her insurance premiums for 39 months. 39 months. She rushed to get it over with. She thought she felt comfortable with the fine and the surcharge. She never had an attorney. She didn't have to pay an attorney's fees. But what did she do? She put herself in a significant financial difficulty for 39 months.